What's up guys, and welcome to the second day of SaaS building process. A quick recap of what happened yesterday. So yesterday I went to the UX pilot and asked it to create me wireframes and starter designs for my application. So as you can see here, the main elements is the sidebar and the main section. So today I did the following stuff. So the first, I went and scaffolded a new Next.js project. Second, I selected a typeface. So I decided to go with this typeface. It's called Rota. It's a modern, geometric font family, and I really liked it. I decided to go with it. So next thing I have done is created a theming and palette. For that, I used Twig.cn because it easily creates themes for Shadcn, and I decided to go with this green, black, and kind of whitish colors. It resembles a Spotify, so I just went ahead, just copied and pasted it to my project. The next stuff is Git, so I created a new Git repository because it's very convenient way to build a project. I usually go ahead and do the very minor and often commits because it's very easy to see even the small changes. And the last stuff I have done today is I have went and implemented a sidebar. So again, yesterday this was the design that I kind of liked it by UX pilot, and the first stuff I did is went to V0, and as you can see here I have uploaded that image and asked it to recreate that image, and it did. It basically works, and the layout is what I asked, but the thing is, when I went to see the code, I saw that there is no specific sidebar component right there, and I remember that Shadcn has the sidebar component, so I decided to go and see the Shadcn website, and I even find this blocks. So it's not a component, it's already a block with different sidebars, and as you can see here, it's already pre-built sidebars with different types. As you can see here, with collapsibles, with like sort of the file tree, with plus and minuses instead of the chevrons, with dots and everything. So I decided to go and test this thing. And what I basically did is went to code, try to look at this code, did a little bit of research with how it works, and then I went to my app. So let me show you my evolution of today's work. So it's basically was the first version of the app where it was workable sidebar with everything right there, but it had some missing parts, and this is my second iteration. As you can see here, I decided to add a little bit of width to it, so in the second iteration it has become a little bit wider. So in the third iteration I decided to make the font a little bit more prominent, a little bit more bold. In next iteration, as you can see here, I decided to make the font size for categories and subcategories much bigger because it's much easier to read. And as you can see, as I was telling you, the font looks beautiful. And also I had some problem because this button, it wasn't really working on a mobile. Let me show you. It works right there, but then it it was stuck a little bit, and then I decided to make it more so I actually fixed that issue, and then the last stage was to make it more user-friendly. And so this is was the last iteration, kind of the final variant for today. So as you can see here, I decided to add like a temporary logo, and it looks pretty nice. So let's see on the iPad. So it looks pretty good here, and the beauty is right there. As you can see here now, the trigger button looks very beautiful. So let me even show you what I mean. If you click, boom, it's beautiful animation. So it's animated button. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Let me show you even from a little bit zoomed in. So if you click, boom, click out, boom. So it's actually what I have done for today, and after that I felt pretty satisfied. So my friends, see you on a day 3.